there. Today in Displays Corner we have got a sample of our transparent 3DP technology. So in many applications customers struggle with light in their transparent LCD display because, as you may know, with a transparent LCD there's a layer removed, so it does need a strong backlight in installation. So here we've paired it with a high brightness open frame monitor which acts as a high bright display to help backlight in the transparent display, as well as adding as a background effect for the front screen, which creates like a 3D effect. So on the front screen we've got our main content, and on the back screen we've got white here, but you can add a mood effect which would need to be quite plain, otherwise it could affect the front screen, and also it could create a moire effect. So these two would need to be integrated into your own enclosure, kind of like the transparent LCD showcase boxes. It would need to be in a fascia with additional LED backlighting you can add, and you can have an object in between like you do with our transparent LCD displays. These do range from 21.5 inch, which we have here, right up to 86 inches in our standard screen sizes. The largest ones can be seen in applications such as real life size 3D models, which have been quite popular. The displays are powered separately, so you can attach a HDMI via HDMI to a media player or separate PC to run the content, and you can add a touch layer in front of these to create an additional layer for interaction. For more information, please visit our website and contact us for pricing as well as case studies. Thank you.